Remember Bob? Yeah, our favorite stick figure with a heart of gold and a wallet full of dust. Well, today, Bob's got a question, one that's been burning in his round little head for years.
If I spent 12 years in school, why do I still have no clue how to make money?
Spoiler alert, it's not just Bob.
Let's see. I can name the mitochondria. I know what a hypotenuse is. I even wrote a haiku about a rock.
But can he negotiate a raise, file taxes without crying, sell anything other than lemonade at age 6? Nope, nada, zilch, because school taught Bob how to be a good employee, not how to create income. So what actually puts cash in your coffee mug? Let's break it down. Skill 1. Communication. Talking, writing, selling. Bob used to avoid conversations like they were broccoli. Now, he's learning to pitch himself like a TED Talk with jazz hands. Skill 2. Problem solving. Rich people solve bigger problems. Bob used to panic when the remote went missing. Now he helps businesses fix actual problems. And guess what? They pay for that. Skill 3. Learning fast. School equal memorize. Forget. Repeat. Real life? It's learn, do, improve, get paid. Bob found out if he learns one valuable skill, like video editing, copywriting, coding, he can charge more than he made in a whole week at his old job. Because let's be honest, schools were designed during the industrial era. The goal? Create predictable, obedient workers.
But I was promised success.
You were promised a lunch break and maybe a gold star. It's not your fault. It's just an outdated system. So Bob did something scary. He started learning on his own, not with $40,000 tuition, with YouTube, podcasts, cheap courses. He picked one skill, stuck with it, failed, got better, charged $50, then $200, then $1,000, and that's when it clicked. Skills equal income, not degrees, not diplomas, not fancy suits. Want to know Bob's real cheat code? Stacking skills. One skill is good, two together, magic. Example, writing plus marketing equal copywriter. Design plus AI equal brand consultant. Bob plus confidence equal slightly less awkward Bob who now makes money online. You don't need to be the best in the world. You just need to be dangerous in 2 or 3 things. So here's the truth Bob learned. If you want a better life, learn better skills. Not someday, not maybe, now. Bob didn't wait for permission. He downloaded free tools, practiced on weekends, failed loudly, improved quietly. And one day Bob looked at his bank account and said, "Wow, I made this. Me, with my brain, my skills." You can too, friend. Just start where Bob did. Curious, confused, and just a little fed up. Now go get that skill stack. And don't forget, no one ever got rich from knowing what a mitochondria does.